चलें शुरू करते हैं बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Malik and I've been with FANA for the last 4 years. So today हमारा purpose जो है आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा update दें कि what we have been doing, what are some of the challenges, but most importantly what we want to have an open dialogue and get your feedback and to see how the alumni can support. So it's not how you can support, it's how we can support each other. So just a little background, FANA was established in 2008 by FAST employees in Michigan, not in Michigan, sorry, in Bellevue, Washington, working at Microsoft. So Rehan or 3-4 और लोग थे, उन्होंने ये शुरू किया क्योंकि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में ये एक था कि जब तक they had a giving month, so and they would match all the donations. तो उन्होंने कहा कि अगर हम ये donations देते हैं और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट भी मैच करता है, एक अच्छी खासी अमाउंट बन जाती है जो कि फास्ट को भेजी जाए. They started with FAST Lahore, but very quickly expanded it to FAST Islamabad and FAST Karachi. So it was focused on the scholarships or loans for deserving students. And I say loans क्योंकि कुछ campuses ये कर रहे थे कि उस amount को लेके students को देते थे as a loan, ताकि वो जब job करने लगे तो तब उस वक्त वापस कर दे ताकि वो फिर और लोगों का भी फायदा हो जाए. So some people were using it as a scholarship. In any case, FANA has always treated it as a scholarship. So we give this money और फिर वो local जो है either alumni, लाहौर में alumni इसे manage करते हैं, बाकी 4 campuses में जो है campus वाले इसे manage करते हैं. They have an application process and they will get some documentation. उन लोगों से पूछते हैं कि हाँ जी आपका background क्या है, income, वो सारी चीजें. और it's not that they get, all of the people get equal amount. Some people need more, some people need less. So it is distributed to them. And FANA does receive that list of people. So for our records, ke ye jo hai, kis ko ja raha hai with roll number. So we have a good process that is established. So a couple of years ago, we had started to support research at exhibitions. मुख्तलिफ campuses में ये software exhibitions होती थी, जो कि इस साल COVID की वजह से नहीं हुई. जैसे SoftTech इस लाहौर में होती थी, इस्लामाबाद में NASCON है और इसी तरह कराची में प्रोग्राम है. तो पेशावर वालों ने न्यू टेक किया और फैसलाबाद ने दायरा के नाम से ये रिसर्च किया. तो हमने तकरीबन $1000 we spent on each one of those 4 exhibitions. तो उससे FANA जो भी उधर कंपटीशन हुआ था, तो it was the award was in the name of FANA. तो इस साल भी हमारा यही इरादा था, लेकिन इस साल कोविड की वजह से चूंकि नहीं हुआ, तो we have supported $1000 to Karachi Innovation Center, $1000 to Peshawar, and we are planning to support $3000 to OREC. It's an Office of Research and Innovation and Collaboration. I think it stands for that. So that organization is going to be sponsoring some project there too. Couple of other things. Board is elected every 2 years. 4 years ago, this was a local Washington-based organization, लेकिन हम लोग virtually join किए हमने. तो I've been with the board for since 2016, and Shiba has been here since 2016 as well. And Noman, Jasim, and Ahmad Uzair, they joined back in 2018. So our plan is to do another election in November, December, and we were hoping कि जो लोग active हैं अपने local community में, they would join this and take this organization to the next level. So we always want to build the next set of leaders. So we come in, we build something, next set of leaders will come in, and they will enhance it to build on top of that other. So that was a little introduction. So after the introduction, we're going to go through accomplishment. So Noman, I'll hand it over to you about what we have accomplished, at least on the action committee side.
So this was Yeah, so you can keep the slide on. So this is something that I wanted to clearly highlight. This was the first time we really got some serious traction from the alumni, and a lot of collaboration, a lot of time spent by a lot of people. So normally we have not been able to get that kind of excitement among the alumni. We have been trying, and this session is one of the attempts to kind of get their feedback. How do we actually do that better? So ये हुआ ये था कि लाहौर में एक मीम स्कैंडल उसको कह लें. There were several Facebook groups and that had cropped up जब ये सारी classes online shift की, so everyone was stuck at home. So they decided to create several groups on Facebook to start interacting with each other. So on some of the groups things got out of hand. One of the largest groups was actually fairly well managed. उसमें almost 2,500-3,000, उसमें कुछ administration के भी लोग थे, कुछ faculty के भी लोग थे उस group में. Everybody, this was an unofficial fast group, so a lot of people joined. Or there was another group that had some inappropriate content posted there. तो उसका the word got out about the inappropriate content, and FAST faculty and administration, Lahore faculty and administration, not knowing what to do, they just took it out on the larger FAST group, जो कि otherwise were harmful, simple sarcasm या इस किस्म की चीज़ें थी, जो कि एक healthy environment का, normal communication का और dialogue का हिस्सा होती हैं. They came down very hard on them. Or so we kind of took up the case, alumni, when we realized what was going on, how students were getting marginalized, including some already graduated students as well who were on the group. So we created an action committee. We first investigated, got all the facts from everybody. We interviewed students, we communicated with faculty, administration, we got everybody's point of view. And then we started to force a process which was amicable and which would work for everybody. And it was fairly successful in how we were able to achieve. तो उसमें हुआ ये कि almost everyone got off the hook, जिनका के कोई कसूर नहीं था as such, उन्होंने कोई ऐसी inappropriate वो post नहीं की थी. But along the way we recognized there are a lot of gaps. A lot of us alumni have been away from FAST की day-to-day activities या student affairs वगैरह से. जैसे जैसे हम दूर होते जाते हैं, हमें उसका वो distance जो है वो creates a gap where we do not recognize the day-to-day issues that our university is now facing. So from there, we got support from the board. The board said that they want to formally engage with the alumni. The administration also is open to engage with the alumni body for particularly curriculum, projects, industry collaboration, is qisam ki cheezon ke liye. But then students in particular need a lot of help in a lot of areas. We have some observations around faculty, quality of faculty, and course curriculum, policies, and other extracurricular programs within the campuses. So basically, this action committee is continuing to work. We are continuing to build bridges directly with the faculty and administration. And we are continuing to look for more help from the alumni, क्योंकि ये एक चीज नहीं है करने वाली, इधर 10-12 चीजें हैं करने वाली, तो smaller bodies will be needed to help out with those areas. So I am particularly happy with the participation that I got from various alumni, both local, abroad, from Saudi Arabia, Australia, England, US, Canada. So it's very well represented, even though FANA, which is a North American alumni organization, was primarily driving it, but we got support and coordination and collaboration from across the globe. So we are looking to continue to build on it. And if any one of you want to be part of this action group, just message me or post on the FANA group for the US and Canada, and I'll include you in there. So I'm happy to take any questions related to this entire matter over the last 3 months that we went through. ठीक है जी. I think we can move to the next. You can chat as well. You can post a question in the chat. We will answer those as well.
There was some question, or we could hold off a question towards the end. Either ways, we wanted this thing to be an interactive session. So, किसी का question है?
All right, I think we can move to the next topic.
Okay. So Noman, this is very good. I mean, the opportunity to connect with the FAST board, and we've been trying for this for a long time. So we should seize this opportunity and really connect with them. I envision one day we'll have a couple of alumni in the board as we gain experience, as we gain their trust, and this is the right opportunity for that. The other thing, and I know Ahmed Uzair hasn't joined, but he's the one who's leading this whole webinar initiatives, and we have conducted in the last year and a half about 13 webinars where various FAST alumni from leading technology companies, they came in, they spoke to the student and alumni, and there have been about 2,500 views of these webinar sessions. ना सिर्फ हम live भी ये करते हैं बल्कि अपना हमारा YouTube channel है, we post it over there. So the topic ranged from just entrepreneurship to medical imaging, gaming industry, how to come to the US for higher studies, cloud computing, some soft skills building. So there's quite a bit going on. So we would like your support to deliver these things, not just over here, but if you visit Pakistan, to ye in person bhi karna, so this is a thing that this is requested all the time. So then I'd like to talk about funding support. So as you could see over the last few years, we have been increasing our support, and this year we are planning about $42,000 to support, $5,000 to the research, and $37,000 towards the scholarship and financial aid. हमने ये जो increase किया है, अब कोशिश ये कर रहे हैं कि पेशावर और फैसलाबाद को भी increase करें without decreasing the amounts that we have been sending to other campuses. So eventually we would want to send about $12,000-$15,000 to all campuses. Then as you know, that 15,000 multiplied by 5, $75,000, it's a lot of money to collect or to ask for, and that's another area that we want to get your idea about. How do we encourage people to support it? Most of the donations that come in, they go to scholarship unless people specify कि हाँ जी मैंने research fund के लिए देना है. So I mean, overly about 80% of those funds are going towards the scholarships or the financial aid. इसके अलावा भी हमने एक और चीज़ की है, कभी कभार हमारे पास directly individual calls आ जाती हैं कुछ students की. तो यूजुअली तो हम लोकल अलुमनाई और लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पे डिपेंड करते हैं कि वो वेट करें, उनके पास होता है मैकेनिज्म देखने का कि ये ट्रू केस है या नहीं है. लेकिन कभी ये कॉल्स आ जाती हैं तो हम लोग उसे अपने चैनल्स पे भी उसे शेयर करते हैं. तो if somebody wants to just individually talk to that person and support that person, so they could do it through the FANA platform, and we had several people that this group has supported. So उनकी तरफ से बड़े अच्छा response भी आया. So I mean, I did mention that we spend about $1,000 each to Karachi and Peshawar for the research, and we are sending about $3,000. Any questions on the funding part there? Okay. Shiva, you want to cover some of this?
Sure. So, okay. So let's talk about, the chapters or हमारा जो FANA का network है that exists today. उसका purpose क्या है basically? Let's dig a little bit into that. Think about yourself. We are all immigrants. At some point, we moved to North America or other countries. And, when we were new to this area, you know, the few things that we looked for, you know, and I wish, you know, 17 years ago when I moved to United States, I had known Fana Network. Usme, you know, we look for friendships, we look for networks, we look for, you know, like-minded professionals who we can connect to with and, you know, learn about things. And to be honest, you know, now being more aware of how things work in United States, you all know that you do need referrals, you know, to apply for jobs in many companies. So the idea is कि, you know, हमारे पास 500 plus Fastians का एक network है that exists here. How do we leverage that? How do we build community? How do we help people, you know, get better jobs, get coached? How do we provide mentorships? You know, we all have capabilities. We have so many PhDs in our network here who are doing amazing jobs, who work at amazing companies. And, you know, how do we just utilize that, not just for people who are within this Fana community, but also connect them back to Fastian students, you know, at the 5 campuses, and हम IEEE level की research produce करें. तो उसमें अभी हमने कुछ, you know, many initiatives which are still ongoing, but right now we have about 9 local Fana chapters, और ये बड़े informal से chapters हैं. We are still trying to formalize them. We this year published, you know, some founding guidelines to basically help establish what is going to be the purpose of these local chapters. You know, how can we help Fana grow, and, you know, उसमें हर local chapter का role क्या होगा. So you will see, you know, in coming months and weeks, we will be formalizing some of these more. But the fact of the matter is कि अभी आप जितने initiatives देख रहे हैं, there are many more on our wish list. वो सब जो है ना, वो 5 लोग नहीं, they cannot just develop on the basis of 5 people we have here. हम सब की full time jobs हैं, हम सब की other commitments भी हैं, families भी हैं. It becomes very difficult, but there's so much more potential and opportunities which are available to us. And now, you know, सारे जो campuses हैं, वो हमें बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ों में engage करना चाहते हैं. You know, for example, they want to get our opinion. You know, we being working in North America with, you know, top companies, how can we help them review their curriculum? Maybe they need to change something. Maybe they need to bring more innovation to their curriculum. So the idea is कि हम इन chapters को formalize करें, flourish करें, थोड़ी सी accountability shift करें to the local chapters, so we can grow more organically. So मैं इधर I'll pause, Ahmed Bhai, and give you an opportunity. I had not prepared anything, so yeah, if you want to chime in more.
This is good. I mean, you're absolutely right. We have many PhDs in the fast PhDs in US and Canada. That cohort of individuals can help with curriculum development in Pakistan too, Pakistan campuses. So itne sare hamare alumni, they are in a position to hire people. So they can provide referrals and even what are the job postings there. तो हमने ये तो देखना शुरू कर दिया कि काफी जो jobs वगैरह आती हैं, we share it through the WhatsApp group. So that is quite good. But you're right. These local Fana chapters are right now WhatsApp groups, but we want to enhance it to make it more of a local communities. I mean, one example I'll give is Sister Javeria. She did a fabulous job in Atlanta, got a group of people together. तो वहाँ तो वो community लगता है बहुत active हो गई है. तो इसी तरह न्यूयॉर्क, न्यू जर्सी में भी था, शिकागो में भी था, लेकिन कोविड की वजह से थोड़ा सा लोगों का मिलना जुलना जरा सा कम हो गया. अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इंशाल्लाह जो है ये बढ़ेगा. तो so with that, I'll just focus on these are some of the challenges. जैसे शिवा ने कहा कि we have limited volunteers to work on many great ideas. We have limited local engagements or alumni connection in the US. उनका जो connection है local campuses के साथ कम है. तो जब हम 4-5 लोग होते हैं तो हमारे लिए फिर ये जरा सा ये भी चैलेंज आ जाता है कि अब जब हमने ये एक टारगेट सेट किया है, पाकिस्तान में लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं इसका कि इस फाइनेंशियल support का. So we want to ask people, but we have also realized कि इस रमजान कोविड की वजह से इतने fundraising fatigue हो गई थी. So we like to hear your ideas about how best to generate these funds. We have another challenge right now, which not major, but something that we are looking into, how to transfer the funds to Pakistan, क्योंकि कुछ ranking, हमारी credit ranking की changes की वजह से कुछ पैसे हम भेज नहीं पा रहे. But we hope to solve that thing, because we send about $40,000 to $50,000 every year. तो fast campus को थोड़ी सी वो fast board को और या जो corporate office of fast, they need to get themselves registered with somebody to receive these funds from external, from outside of the US. So we are working on these things. But the biggest thing is for us to engage more alumni. And I mean, as you could see on this list, we have like half of the people are from the board, and a couple of volunteers that have joined and helped the board. But there are some people who are new. So with that, I like to hear from you. Any questions, or how would you like to help FANA? I mean, just opening it up. So I mean, mics आप लोग खुद खोल सकते हैं. तो Adnan, Anam, Ata, Hamza, Munib, any recommendation or any suggestions you have?
So while people are thinking about questions, एक और चीज मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप हमारा last 4 year का trend देखें in terms of how much funds we have supplied to the 5 campuses, every year we try and give ourselves a new target. वो पिछले साल से ज़्यादा ही होता है, बल्कि at times I am probably the first one who resists that. कि हम ये कहाँ से इतने funds लाएंगे, and we need to have some stable revenue coming in अगर हमने promise करना है to each campus कि हम इतने students को scholarship provide करेंगे. But I kid you not that at the end of the year, it is still very heartbreaking to see that there are so many deserving students who pass the test, who get the admission, but who could not afford the fee. And जब उनको पता चलता है when they are turned down by the campuses, and probably people have heard about us, they start reaching out to us independently. And I have seen email where people are begging us कि हमें 1 semester की fee दे दें, help us get through this, और वो अपनी पूरी history बताते हैं कि the challenges, the financial challenges that they are going through, and it's really, really heartbreaking. So इस साल खास तौर पे, because everybody is impacted by COVID, we see a lot more requests coming in, and तो हमारा सबसे बड़ा अलमिया ये है कि चले हम लोगों को push भी करते हैं, friends को भी कहते हैं, we try to utilize these opportunities कि ये companies like Microsoft and Apple, they do donation matching as well. But at the end of the day, we want people to be conscious of it by themselves. We want them कि वो खुद से कहें कि अच्छा जी मैं इस साल एक student को मैं financially sponsor करूँगा. Or we have also this process where you can just set up something on a recurring basis, which works the best. So you don't have to take out a bulk amount of money at once, but you could do something as low as $25, $50 a month. That's going to make a world of difference to somebody's life.
So anybody else? That's very good. Anybody else who wants to chime in?
Ate here. So thank you so much for putting this together. Not because I have somebody on the inside in the board and group, but I just want to share this message just so you guys know that I personally appreciate all the effort that you guys do. It is not easy. I've been part of some of similar organizations in the past, and first of all, doing volunteer work as a side job is not an easy thing. Secondly, asking people for money for any cause is a very hard thing to do. So I just want to commend and congratulate all of you for not only sustaining this organization, but also growing it over time and making it more important and critical presence in front of, हमारे जो FAST के campuses हैं. There seems like they're now getting to realize that there's more than just getting funds from FANA, and so there should be more participation. So I'm really happy to hear about that. And also the FANA Action Group information that was shared, so that was great. The challenge here is the challenge that every organization has. One, that you only have very few visionaries and leaders. Not everybody's going to be that. And secondly, not everybody's going to feel the pain same way that these people who are leading the charter are going to feel. So there's always going to be that gap. It's very hard to make people realize they should contribute and participate. So it has to be a constant effort to keep reminding people about that. So just like Shiba bhi baat kari thi ke, there are so many deserving students. You get passionate about these things when you hear these real world stories that there are people who are deserving and needed. I feel we need to do that, outreach a bit more with those kind of stories. Maybe that's where the message is not sinking in with all the other folks. Maybe it's just the, lack of a little bit of timing and organization. For example, we know kaun si dates hain on which we need to hit these targets, so we send reminders, or we set up these sessions or something along these lines so that we can keep reminding people. It's very easy to forget, give one time and forget, and you feel like that you have done your part. So I feel that it is, again, more on the FANA board side that they will have to organize more of these reminders in form of sessions, in form of sharing some stories and other things, so that people stay engaged emotionally and financially. If we just do like few reminders during the year, people just get disconnected. That's just my personal feeling.
Oh, thank you very much for your comments. I think you're absolutely right. We need to be sharing the targets. We need to get some stories, because we are not sometimes directly connected with the students. So हम उन्हीं की story share करते हैं जो कि they have reached out to us. But we'll reach out to the campuses and ask them, okay, क्या situation है, तो ताकि हम लोग जो है we could do more personalized kind of messaging to see if that would help. So thank you for that, and thank you for acknowledging the work the board has been doing. I mean, I feel that some of this work is not because हम लोग जो है बस करना है, board member बनना है, कुछ चीजें जो है we are also learning. I mean, I've joined this thing to learn myself. I joined different boards to learn different things. In a school, I learned about educational technology. For a masjid, I learned about how to manage the finances of masjids. And I've joined this one to see how can we help FAST grow scholarships and research. So sometimes you have to think about something you want to learn and then join the organization to help with that. So, okay, good feedback. Anybody else who wants to share some ideas on how we can connect?
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Yeah, it's morning here. I was getting breakfast in Vancouver. So it's smoky here. So I hope everybody in the side जो Washington वगैरह के वो सही सब ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत बुरा धुआं फैला हुआ है. Anyways, मैं बड़ा अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ, मैं सीनियर फील कर रहा हूँ, मुझे 21 साल हो गए इधर, and I'm kind of connected. जब रेहान ने शुरू किया था, रेहान is my class fellow, जब उसने थोड़ा सा काम शुरू किया, तब से मैं interested, and I'm always there watching and helping with my capacity, whatever capacity I have. I'm very happy. कुछ comments हैं और फिर कुछ सवाल आते हैं. So comments ये हैं कि I've seen it grown from like कोई इक्का दुक्का कोई फास्ट का दूर से चक्कर लगाने आ जाता था या वीजे के लिए चक्कर में आ जाता. आई एम इन वैंकूवर, सो देयर वाज अ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डेव सेंटर हियर फॉर अ व्हाइल. So but now last year I tried to get together, and I was very happy to see like there were like above 100 Fastians living in just the Vancouver area. So this has grown up to like, yeah. और ये वो है जो जिन्होंने आके हमें बताया कि हम देना. So it used to be somebody comes over here, try to find somebody from FAST, and whenever we see somebody from FAST, आपको पता है वो मोहब्बत है, there's a connection. So there's always a connection between like us, और वो चलता रहता है. अब सवाल है दो. मुझे पहला सवाल ये कि is there a possibility to get stats from any of the campuses there? कितने बच्चों actually पढ़ नहीं पाते फंडिंग ना होने की वजह से? मैं यानी कि अगर ये इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है, that would be a hard changer, because most of us still think that there is no problem. प्रॉब्लम हमें तब पता चलेगी जब हमें एग्जैक्टली पता चल जाए कि अगर किसी की तालीम मुकम्मल नहीं होती फंडिंग ना होने की वजह से. दूसरा है कि मैं बड़ा खुश हुआ था. आई एम ऑल्सो kind of in volunteer position with TCF, and I found like a lot of TCF students, which is very good news that they also were able to get into FAST. The thing is that I do a lot of fundraising for TCF in Vancouver, and it's very hard to get fundraising for the schools for the TCF students. लेकिन जब वो फास्ट पहुंच गए, अब तो वो हम हेल्प नहीं कर सकते एज अंडर द TCF बैनर. सो मैं उनके लिए परेशान हो गया कि वो अब फास्ट से कैसे गुजरेंगे, क्योंकि वो तो काफी उनका जो बैकग्राउंड है दैट्स वेरी, उनके लिए तालीम हासिल करना वैसे ही टफ है. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग. दूसरा मेरा एक आइडिया है जो basically just again working with other organizations which basically primary focus is to raise funds in over here and all over the world. हम लोग गालास करते हैं हर साल, डिनर्स, गाला डिनर्स होते हैं कि सबको स्पेशल एक ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं जिसमें सबको हम बुलाते हैं और उनके अंदर फिर हम एक डिनर करते हैं, फिर हम फंड रेजिंग करते हैं. उससे फिर ये होता है कि आई थिंक वी ट्राई टू डू दैट. मुझे भूल गया है, याददाश्त सब खराब हो गई है, कि हमने सैटल में कुछ ऐसा किया था और हमने कुछ फंड रेजिंग की थी या कोई मेरे ख्याल से कोई इलेक्शंस हुए थे इन सैटल, जो हम सब हम वैंकूवर से गए थे उधर, तो वहाँ कुछ डिसीजंस हुए थे. बट आई वुड लाइक टू डू, बिकॉज आई थिंक द चैप्टर्स आर now grown into the level that we can have some gala dinners and start doing some serious fundraising for this. अभी तक ये बेसिकली इंडिविजुअल्स के ऊपर है कि वो उनमें से कौन कितना देना चाहता है. जिसका दिल चाहता है दे देता है, जिसका दिल नहीं चाहता वो फिर भी साथ रहता है. ऐसा नहीं है, हम लोग काफी अच्छी पोजीशंस में आ चुके हैं. तो it may be a good idea to start looking at doing proper gala dinners and ask, यानी कि सबको इस बुनियाद पे इकट्ठा किया जाए कि आप थोड़ा थोड़ा डोनेट कर दें. Maybe we can start looking into that part. That's it.
Yes, that's a great suggestion. In fact, Shipa was saying that at the start of the year when we were setting our goals, we set about $3,000 for a couple of localized events in California and in the East Coast. Like, and this was in February, and then everything, you know what happened. So that is one of the approaches, and we want to get to that level. Meanwhile, I don't know if we could have any galas between now and the end of the year where we have to do these.
Yeah. अच्छा, इसमें एक चीज मैं और ऐड करूंगी to what Ahmed bhai said. So in the past हम लोगों ने बहुत बड़े लेवल पे गालास या डिनर्स या इस तरह की इवेंट्स नहीं की थी. रीजन बीइंग हमें जितने फंड्स मिलते थे हम एज इज उसको पास ऑन कर देते थे to the campuses. We didn't have budget set aside for these kind of things. And again, we were trying to maximize कि हमारे पास इतने फंड हैं, हम उनको किसी तरह स्टूडेंट्स को पहुंचा दें. Many times कि हमने जो लाइसेंसेस और इस तरह की कॉस्ट भी होती थी वो हम खुद ही एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते थे. But going forward, we are trying to partner with some of like-minded organizations to help our network grow, help their network grow, and at the same time, do something in partnership with them. उसमें ये होता है कि थोड़ी सी cost saving भी हो जाती है. And Adnan, I know many people who are part of TCF, pehle Seattle, Vancouver chapter, and now I know people here in California. And this is actually a very good suggestion because maybe we can help each other and partner in some events, and we can help you with the fundraising and you can help us and vice versa. And again, as I said, if we combine, maybe we can share the cost, and in that case, it may be easier. You will have access to our network to do marketing for your stuff, and we would like to have the same opportunity with TCF.
Good suggestion. I mean, एक और चीज मैं ये कहूँगा अदनान, it might be good if you have you set up a little Vancouver chapter WhatsApp.
Before
Rafael, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? I think he was trying to say something and then his mic dropped.
No, I just wanted to add top of Adnan. I know hearing the comments. First of all,
राफेल, आपकी आवाज आ रही है, जा रही है.
can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, let me try something new then.
No, I think we can hear you now.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes, we can hear you. Hamza,
I'm just
okay. Rafael, can you hear us?
राफेल अब तकनीकी मसले सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, तब तक मैं जवाब ये है कि या आई टोटली एग्री, थैंक यू. एंड या वैंकूवर में हम कर रहे हैं, वी कैन स्टार्ट लुकिंग टू दैट एंड द रिस्पांस वाज वेरी गुड, सो या इट्स pretty much possible.
अच्छा.
So
आप
Adnan, Vancouver में, I believe there are a lot of Pakistanis there as well, Fastians. Would you like to connect with us and help us establish a chapter there?
Yeah, I think they are yeah, sure, why not? It's actually, I think they are very good other no brainer. Yes. कोई मसला
Okay.
नहीं, हो जाएगा.
Awesome.
Thank you. राफेल, आपके राफेल तो नहीं अभी ज्वाइन किया, लेकिन अदनान आप कनाडा में हैं, तो राफेल का मुझे पता था he was trying to establish a Canadian chapter, एक नॉन प्रॉफिट, ताकि आप लोगों को भी फायदा हो वहाँ से जो डोनेशंस होती हैं. तो are there anything particular TCF जो आपने सेटअप किया? तो मेरे ख्याल में this partnership with the Canadian other people would be great too, अगर आप उसे as a non-profit establish करते हैं.
If I'm not mistaken, राफेल जिसको मैं जानता हूँ वो टोरंटो में है, ये वही होगा अपना रैफ. तो ये हाँ, ये एक्चुअली हमारा कनाडा में, you know, वैंकूवर ईस्ट कोस्ट और वेस्ट कोस्ट काफी.
Ahmed bhai, can you hear me now?
हाँ राफेल, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. Just Ahmed bhai से confirm करूँ. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you too.
Okay, so मैं वहीं से start करना चाहता because I was hearing a couple of comments. So first of all, like obviously, जो as Ata bhai said, kudos to you guys के जो everything that you guys do, because it's not easy, and having been involved with other organizations as well, I know how time consuming it is because of like when you have regular job as well as other family commitments. So thanks for that. उसमें अब ये है couple of comments about TCF, gala dinners and everything. So the things that I've experienced over
Rafael, we have lost you again.
Helping out fast. Okay, can you hear me now?
Now we could hear you.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just sitting next to, maybe I have to dial in. The point I was trying to make, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
It's still breaking up.
So the point I was trying to make was, okay, there's a dial-in number for this, right?
Yes.
Okay, then I'll just disconnect.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है आप उस तरह डायल इन करें तो fine. So I mean I like to hear from other people that have joined. Muneeb, what is your thoughts? Yeah, Javeria, yeah, Hamza.
अहमद भाई मैं बोलता हूँ जकी
Zaki, take
हाँ
one.
नहीं मैंने ये पूछना था कि कोई ईमेल लिस्ट वगैरह भी है क्योंकि मैं काफी लोगों को जानता हूँ वो व्हाट्सएप अवॉइड करते हैं मतलब कई ऐसे लड़के हैं जो कि या तो म्यूट रखते हैं या दे नेवर कम ऑन दीज थिंग्स तो मुझे आज तक नहीं याद पड़ता कि कभी कोई ईमेल आई हो फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ फंड रेजिंग या ये वो
हाँ गुड क्वेश्चन हमारे पास एक मेलिंग लिस्ट है लेकिन it is all for all the people that we have ever come in contact. We will send it through the email as well. दूसरा हम लोग जो ज़्यादा चैनल यूज़ कर रहे हैं you're right WhatsApp भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं और Facebook भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं but you're probably right we should try email then and maybe ask people. हमने काफ़ी लोगों को कहा तो है कि email पे आप register कर सकते हैं. I would as a reminder say कि fana.org को हम लोग काफ़ी अपडेट रखते हैं अपनी बोर्ड मीटिंग्स के मिनट्स भी उस पर डालते हैं और क्या हमारे गोल्स हैं ये सारी चीज़ें बायलॉज भी हैं तो that's a good idea we'll try the email.
और दूसरा अहमद भाई मैं इंटरजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ मेरे ख्याल में ना आई नो कि ये मतलब इट्स फोर्सिंग द हैंड लेकिन सबको मेरा ख्याल है एवरी इल्यूमिनाई आप कहें कि यार $20-30 तो जरूर दो मतलब फॉर बीइंग मेंबर्स ऑफ फाना कि एवरी ईयर $20 तो मिनिमम सारे दो ही दो ना फिर बाकी एडिशनल जिसने जितने देने हैं वो देते रहे.
आपने ना ये जो बात की है ना ये एक्चुअली मैं एक मिनट एक स्लाइड पीछे जाता हूँ एक्चुअली हमारे ये बायलॉज में है कि एक मेंबर बनने के लिए you have to spend $50 a donation per year. So it is one of the things we are saying is at least spend $50, become a board member, become a voting member. Everybody is a member. You're right. I mean, the thing is, I mean, it would be good if we could sponsor a student or do a recurring, just $1 a day. That could be a good recurring thing too. क्योंकि मैंने ये देखा है जब हमने सारा एनालिसिस किया है जो रिकरिंग करते हैं तो दैट मेक्स अप द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. तो एक हदीस भी है कि दो सपोर्ट कंसिस्टेंटली स्मॉल अमाउंट बट कंसिस्टेंटली तो दैट उसमें बड़ी बरकत होती है. तो yes this suggestion is great one.
And actually, to add to that, you know, Zaki's point, Zaki, we have been, as board members, we have been debating this for, I don't know, 2 years now, कि हमें एक membership fee रखनी चाहिए, you know, as minimum as maybe $5 a month or something, because, you know, there are certain things जो कि हमें sustain करने के लिए, it's going to be very, very helpful. And you can, again, you know, this is a way for every single member to contribute, even if it is just $5. But you know, we've just been looking for the right opportunity to launch that, because और कुछ नहीं तो, you know, just by becoming a registered member, you get access to contacts of, you know, 500 professionals in our network. So let's say if I'm looking for switching my job and I need some feedback and recommendation about a company or within a company specific department or a job, I should be able to reach out to this group of people and say, hey, will you be willing to give me some feedback? So, I mean, this is essentially a service that this network can provide. And
I think it's a case-by-case basis situation, because just taking American culture, if you see gas available 10 cents cheaper, you will drive 2 miles down to get that. So I think the problem here is as soon as we say to be a member, you have to pay $5 a month, which I completely agree with. People would say, what am I getting out of it? Why do I have to pay that $5? So maybe again, there's maybe a messaging that needs to be there instead of saying to become a member, you have to pay $5, a membership fee. It could be something else that by starting off with $5 a month, you're supporting this many students for this many months kind of thing. So it's always about the message and not about, the membership.
अच्छा इसी रिगार्ड में अहमद भाई मेरा पॉइंट ये था कि सबको शर्म दिलाई जाए कि यार $20 तो दो ना एटलीस्ट, मतलब कि फोर्स करें कि यार मतलब कि एस जो के भी नहीं कि $20 दे सकते हो, ये मेरा पॉइंट.
Yeah, I think I think the individual groups can do this better. इसीलिए we are promoting this कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का ग्रुप, साउथ जो न्यूयॉर्क न्यू जर्सी एरिया के लोग हैं, साउथ में हैं, इधर डीसी वर्जीनिया में हैं, आप जैसे भी वैंकूवर की बात कर रहे हैं, वहाँ अतान ने बात की, वैंकूवर में काफी सारे लोग हैं. तो आई थिंक वो एक लोकल लेवल पे उस किस्म की कैंपेन या एक्टिविटी जो है ना, इट्स गोना बी मोर इफेक्टिव इफ विद इन योर ओन ग्रुप, चाहे आप ईमेल पे एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करते हो या व्हाट्सएप पे या जो भी आपका सोशल मैकेनिज्म है उस ग्रुप का, उसमें इस चीज को इन्फोर्स किया जाए तो फिर ये हो सकता है एक हमारी तरफ से सेंट्रलाइज्ड मैसेज जो है ना, वो दैट डजंट गो एनीवेयर.
इसके लिए
अहमद भाई उस पे मैं साउथ ईस्ट का थोड़ा बताना चाहूँगा. मुनीवर, इधर हम लोगों ने एग्जैक्टली इसी चीज को किया था, लोकल ग्रुप साउथ ईस्ट का. इट इंक्लूडेड वर्जीनिया, वाशिंगटन डीसी. आई थिंक उन लोगों के अलग है एक लोकल ग्रुप, but this is mainly focused on Florida, Atlanta, North Carolina, South Carolina. Or within our members, हम लोगों ने, and Javeria is doing a tremendous job keeping everyone engaged. अभी हमारा एक है Zoom session next month, October में. We meet every quarter. और उसमें हम लोग ये decide करते हैं how much funding that we need to raise so that we can support some kids over there. और हम लोग, I think, Javier, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's like $3,500 हम लोगों ने by the end of this year भेजना है, right? So what we came up with was we have around 15, at that time we had around 15 active members, and we decided, okay, let's just pitch in $200. Every person can do that. कितना मुश्किल होगा, और which comes around $3,000. So my point is, have some specific, अभी किसी ने mention किया था Vancouver has more than 100 people, alumni. अगर 200 भी हर बंदा देता है, you're getting straight away $2,000 or $20,000, right? तो इस तरह का कोई tangible आप लोग figure रखें local chapters में. Then secondly, you need to have some emotional value जो होती है ना, वो होनी चाहिए. Like if I am spending or donating some money, where is that money going to? और ये TCF की किसी ने बात की थी. TCF does this very nicely. वो लोग videos बनाते हैं उधर local students के, उनके messages भी होते हैं, and it's you connect emotionally with that. और अगर इस तरह की कोई चीज हो, आपने fund किया है, एक semester में 15 बच्चों को किया है, let's suppose, have a video of those, share करें group के साथ, ताकि हम लोग और वो thank you कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों को भी feeling हो रही है कि हाँ भाई the money that we're donating, it is going somewhere. कोई है actual में बच्चा जो कि उसकी life change हो जाएगी, and that's what we need. थोड़ा सा engagement उस तरह बढ़ेगी. Thirdly, I think Slack would be a good medium for this sort of an activity. और उसका reason ये है कि emails, websites, not a lot of people are using it anymore. WhatsApp is good, but we need somewhere जहाँ पे चीजें proper तरीके से managed हों. Files उसमें आप अच्छी तरीके से रख सकते हैं, so that people can quickly go there, and multiple groups आप बना सकते हैं. अभी हमें ये मसला था वो कनाडा और अमेरिका के अलग अलग करने पड़ गए. अब हमारी डिस्कनेक्ट होता जा रहा है between America and Canada. With Slack you can have multiple groups. अमेरिका कनाडा का तो होगा, इसके अलावा किसी ने पॉलिटिकल डिस्कशन करनी है, उसका अलग ग्रुप है, खाली वो लोग हैं जो कि पॉलिटिकल करेंगे. सिमिलरली डोनेशन का एक अलग ग्रुप होगा, उसमें फोकस खाली डोनेशंस के ऊपर होगा. वेबिनार्स का अलग होगा. मूव टू अ प्लेटफॉर्म जो कि ज्यादा इंडस्ट्री में यूज भी हो रहा है, एंड इट्स मच इजियर टू नेविगेट एंड मैनेज. These are some of my points.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind. We don't mind having another platform. So Monique, that's great ideas, and getting the videos is a great idea. But just like this, we have great ideas. So maybe you can help us lead this thing. I could connect you with all the campuses with the. तो इस तरह की चीज, या फिर आप Slack सेटअप कर दें give options to some of the people. So that's fine. We should try ideas. We shouldn't be afraid of failures. कि ये idea चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. But we have to be consistent in managing it. क्योंकि कई दफा वो platform setup हुआ है मुख्तलिफ in the past, लेकिन after a while people just dropped off managing it and it fizzled out. But if we could sustain it from ideation to development and deployment and sustaining it, that's the most important part. That's what we are trying to do with Fana itself too. It's a good idea. Thank you.
And Munif, वो जो आपका feedback है about messaging, कि हमें थोड़ा सा emotional उसको feedback देने की ज़रूरत है. We have actually been thinking about that. This was one of the goals for this year. लेकिन उसमें दो elements आ जाते हैं. एक तो थोड़ा सा element privacy का आ जाता है. We may not get all the information and we may not want to expose all those students who are getting scholarship. हमें because we are sponsoring them, तो हमें per campus पता होता है कि हमने 17 students को per semester हमने scholarship provide की है और उसमें किसको कितनी दी है. हमें campus ये visibility देता है. But we may not be able to share all that information because of privacy concerns, but we take your feedback. I think we can always get feedback from these students who received those funds and how that changed their life, and we can definitely incorporate that kind of messaging and feedback in our future campaigns. I think उसमें थोड़ी सी जो एक roadblock तो नहीं कहूँगी, लेकिन I think we are just 5 people. That requires somebody dedicated in terms of अच्छा data तो है, अब उन students को approach किया जाए, उनका feedback लिया जाए, उसको किसी visual या किसी चीज में डाला जाए, and how do we? It's a proper campaign. Somebody needs to be dedicated to it. So just saying that we are, just limited bandwidth है हमारे पास here, but we definitely take your feedback and we'll work on it.
Yep. And
Ahmed bhai, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, Rafael. एक मिनट Rafael, मैं complete कर लूँ.
Sure. Go ahead.
Shiba Baji, I'm up for volunteering for the video thing. मैं video making में काफी कोई मसला नहीं है, वो सारा manage कर लूँगा. As long as someone on the campus can help out with the recordings, as long as those students are okay with being part of this. So I am ready to head this particular campaign.
ठीक है, we'll take you up on that offer.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Okay.
Over to you, Rafael.
Yep. So there's some few more things. So I'll just start addressing them. So Munib bhai, I agree with the suggestion that helps a lot. But I'll give you some historical perspective as well, because I've managed scholarships for FAST in the past. वही challenge है जो Shiba mentioned, that FAST says that we don't want to expose the people who are getting the scholarship, and we were trying to do the same when we were doing the scholarship. कि जी, if you can let us publish the story in which एक FAST का एक छपता था, I think quarterly magazine, let us publish there, or internal जो alumni का letter था उसमें publish करने दे. But their response was, sorry, no, we won't let you publish that because we don't want to expose the child. And उसके बाद even when we were distributing the scholarship, वो बड़ी मुश्किल से going out to Saifullah साहब, हमें बड़ी मुश्किल से नाम मिलता था कि किसको scholarship मिली है. हमें even scholarship का जो होता था, जिस बच्चे को मिली है उसका नाम भी नहीं हो देते थे. So that's the challenge that you'll face. But there's no harm exploring this. But I'm talking about 10 years back. So maybe things have changed in the last 10 years and they are open to exploring that idea. But that's I agree with you that if you need to increase the funding, you have to publish stories. And basically वही बात है कि just ask the people, right, who's okay with doing that kind of a video. If somebody is okay with doing that kind of video, there's no harm of it. Now coming back to जो Kala और local chapters की बात होती रही, और Nan bhai mentioned TCF as well, and I know TCF is actually in Canada doing a really good job as well, doing fundraising and everything. And one of the suggestions that I actually made a couple of months back was also कि जी अगर there's there's no option of setting up a Fast Canada chapter. Can we, the people, and I know a couple of fasts, including Adnan Bhai and Abdullah Bhai, and everybody's involved with TCF. Can we explore the option of partnering with TCF so we can be a non-profit, not a registered charity, but be a non-profit, and TCF does the donation collection on our behalf to their channels, and we pay them an administrative cost for each transaction. That so this idea I've already floated a while.
So, Rafael, do you know कि TCF जो है उनके charter में are they supposed to only fund the school like a high school तक या ये कि they are open to funding professional education? क्योंकि otherwise we can have a tighter integration with them कि जी जितने भी बच्चे आपके आगे जा रहे हों उनके लिए funding हमारे साथ आप joint वो कर लें तो फाना जो है वो will try and raise funds for whoever is going too fast.
Yeah, so for that I can call Abdullah Bhai to like मेरी उनसे बात होती रहती है, so I'll call him and check with him because he's more closer to it. But उसमें सिर्फ problem जो मैं आपको और I think Numan Bhai actually raised this question the other day as well is the challenge is कि यहाँ पे if you don't have a business account, if you are trying to collect money, that you have to like if somebody is getting a lot of transactions then they have to be liable for it and बताना है कि कहाँ से transaction आए.
US में तो हमारा सेटअप बिल्कुल सही है हम we are a 501c3 registered.
नहीं मैं आपको लोकल बता रहा हूँ ना कि जब एक रिक्वेस्ट आती है कि जी make payment, right? So somebody और mostly क्या होता है कि जी transaction करें through PayPal. अब PayPal भी कनाडा का अलग है, US का अलग है. Yes, you can go and make a transfer that, but you're paying in US dollars. So the purpose was कि अगर आपने जो मतलब जो the feedback that I've gotten from people is कि यार देखो अगर हम अभी पैसे देने हैं right to alumni association या किसी को, we're gonna transfer this to somebody here locally, or even if we directly transfer it through PayPal or whatever to Fast US, they're gonna transfer eventually to Fast. We already have our Pakistani bank accounts. We can just initiate a transfer locally from there to, or we would not get any questions asked because we're doing a local transfer from there to there. So majority, the thing is there are people in Fast. The point I'm trying to make is that there are people in Fast, basically in Canada, like Fast alumni in Canada, who are donating, लेकिन जिनका कोई is not वो visible नहीं है because they are donating locally to Asaf or somebody local, because वो वहीं से local एक initiate अपनी transfer कर देते हैं because they have a bank account there, because they know that it's not tax deductible anyways for them, even if they pay to US alumni. So for them it's easier route to just donate locally and with no questions asked. In terms of engaging and raising money, so there are a couple of ideas and I basically shared them a while back, and I know Ahmed, like we have had candid conversations about it in the past, but just involving a bigger group is there was 10 years back we came up with an idea of having a merchandise shop, right? And the idea was that हमने सब कुछ design भी कर लिया. Even if you go right now on my Facebook, you would see that we had the T-shirts and everything designed, but there was no at that time Fana या जो भी so people they were involved there was no मतलब उस वक्त there was no and like मतलब burning desire नहीं थी कि कुछ चीज़ को launch किया जाए या क्या. तो plan यही था कि जी अगर आप you can just start floating merchandise, maybe you can make some get some collection out of some revenue out of there as well, and you can donate. In terms of gala dinner, तो the plan हमारा जो आपको पता ही है हमारा plan था जुलाई का. We started planning early Feb for that in Toronto. We talked to multiple organizations as well locally. Even we talked to the banquet hall as well, जहाँ पे हमने ये करना था उनसे हम सब कुछ रेट शेट ले लिया था, and we actually talked to IEEE young professionals as well, and they were willing to sponsor us I think $500 for the event at that time. And plan ये था कि आप एक event कराएं उसमें try to, for example अगर आप उस basically get together कि आप ticket आप $40 की बेचते हैं तो आप you can आपकी अगर कॉस्ट $20 आ रही है, so the rest goes to Fana itself. और उसमें ये था कि we also took quotes from merchandise as well. आपको पता ही होगा, हमने merchandise के भी ideas लिए थे कि जी आपको क्या चाहिए, and we can order that. But वो सारा plan because of this whole COVID had to be shut down. So I agree that if Fana has to generate more money, it has to be active locally, where you can have some events. और अगर आपकी जो membership की जो आप ideas share कर रहे हैं कि जी $5, $10, ये भी they're gonna be actually आपकी membership तब बढ़ेगी जब you would start offering local activities. और उसमें जो फाना का member है who has a discounted, which is like normal, आप किसी भी organization में जाएं किसी भी बड़ी में तो वो कहते हैं कि जी अच्छा, if you're a member you pay this price, if you're a non-member you pay this price. You can participate in the activity regardless, but if you're a member you pay this price, right? तो अगर आपके local activities होना शुरू हो जाती हैं on the ground, then obviously you can start offering discounts to people who are members, and then eventually you can, yeah, it's just worth like $10. We can just pay $10 and have some discount at the future events. So ideas are there, but for me the challenge is, और मैंने वो candidly group पे सबके साथ share किया था पूरे FAST alumni के साथ कि जी the challenge that I always run to, and I have made these mistakes in the past, is just you take the initiative, you do it by your own, but then you're stuck with it. So I don't want to be we take a bigger initiative of registering, we पैसे अपने भी डाल लें, सब कुछ कर लें, and we registered FAST Canada, but now over जो annual सारी reporting है, audit है, सारा कुछ now resides with G. Rafal Chaudhary. That's not what I want. So the event का जो purpose था उससे बात भी यही होनी थी, हमने जो करना था कि भाई this is the plan, but we need active volunteers to be part of the board of FAST Canada, and we want कि ये एक annual process होगा, इसके elections भी जिस तरह भी होगा वो सारा annually इसी तरह होगा, और we have to come up with an idea. और उस वक्त idea दूसरा ये था कि should we go for a registered charity directly, or should we initiate as a FAST Canada non-profit and partner with an organization for tax receipts. So that's where we were stuck, and that's where nothing has moved in the past 3-4 months.
Well, I think this situation would get better, inshallah, so you could restart this activity. I mean, these ideas are there, you're absolutely right. I think इसको वही ना मैं कह रहा था ना, idea को ideation से sustainment phase तक लाना है, और उसके बाद you have to find another group that would maintain it, and then they could learn, and there could be more people that would come in. A lot of organizations do that, so I don't think that would be an issue if there is a lot of alumni over there. So बस वो लोगों को engage करना is the challenge there. So just keep trying, we could say that, or I mean, I feel कि अगर local setup हो जाता है company Canadian, क्योंकि मैं जब देखता हूँ तो I think कि US में लोग इसे वो तो कर रहे हैं, donate तो कर रहे हैं, बल्कि अब तो हमें भी tax benefit जरा कम होता जा रहा है, लेकिन some people are still donating because it's not just about the tax benefits, it's about the rewards you get from Allah from a day after.
Yeah, exactly.
और membership का भी यही है कि हाँ लोग पूछते हैं हमें क्या फायदा होगा. I don't know. I mean, it's like अगर it's not like you should ask Aji, what would Fana give to you? It's like what would you give to Fana? How would you contribute to FAST? Not even Fana. I mean, the thing is कि इतना ये जो institute बना, हमें इतने foundational skill set दिए जिसपे हम लोगों ने develop होके और चीजें की, वहाँ से graduate होके फिर हमने यहाँ आए, यहाँ masters या PhD की, तो I mean all of this earning हमें foundation तो वहीं से मिली है. It was a non-profit. FAST is a non-profit, and somebody set it up. उसका हम लोग अभी फल खा रहे हैं. तो इसी तरह हमारे दिल में भी किसी तरह ये आना चाहिए कि किस तरह हम से वो लोगों को connect कर सके, इस तरह हम फायदा दे सके. So I think we will start this membership thing and just at least get a very recurring donation. I just saw we have about 200 members on in the US alone. और अगर यही $30 हो जाए 200 लोगों का, तो I mean we're done. We sorry. So you're absolutely right.
Yeah, so इसमें वही चीज मेरा point ये नहीं था कि जी tax receives. The point is कि I think there is a number of people already contributing, but they are still logging नहीं हो रही because they are just contributing directly from there. दूसरा जो यही है कि and this is, as I say, since you guys and Numan bhai have graduated, things had slightly changed, and not necessarily everybody wants to contribute to FAST. I can talk to, because I know people 7 batches above me, 7 batches down me, or not necessarily everybody has the same sentiment. It's a longer conversation. Not everybody has the same sentiment of contributing towards FAST, because some of, like, majority of the people who were during a certain batches have very bitter experiences with FAST, where though they are still FAST alumni, they would like to be called a FAST alumni, but they don't necessarily want to contribute at all. And that's they've actually said it on my face, saying FAST was the worst period of my time, and I don't want to be associated with or want to contribute to basically. So there are things there. So I don't want to necessarily go into the conversation regarding that.
Yeah.
But regarding जो आपका sentiment है to contribute, maybe मेरा sentiment है, मुनीब भाई का, सब लोगों का है to contribute. We shouldn't assume that everybody has the same sentiment.
Yeah, and I mean, there will be people who would talk negative. I think we should be focused on the positive. And it's not about the FAST, it's about the students. It's how to make their lives better, how to make
Exactly.
उन students को किस तरह वो professional life में जाएं. So I mean, they can support their own families. So it's helping the country, it's helping the nation. So
Yep.
Okay, good discussions. I think this is good. Any other ideas that anybody wants to share to see how we could get more volunteers or more funds or more engagement? I mean, I have a list of things that I would like people to do. I mean, I would like people to deliver these webinars, visit the campus when you visit Pakistan, or connect with local campuses. We have connection. वो इस दफा हमने ये किया लाहौर में कि project ideas यहाँ से collect करके लाहौर campus को दिए ताकि वो final year project may use ho. So we just got 3 ideas, but I feel that there is enough we could do. I mean, हम इस तरह project उधर भेज सकते हैं. I know some we share through WhatsApp, some we share through Facebook. I'm not sure about the email. Email में कितना वो होगा, लेकिन we will try it to connect with people through that. But local जो है ना chapters, I have a high hope with that. Locally, अगर आप लोग जो हैं 1-2 chapter lead मुनीब हो गए, जवेरिया हो गए, so you connect with the people and just say, okay, $30 a month, you do that, $1 a day. So that would make a difference there.
So talking also about webinars, you know, हम लोग हमारी कोशिश ये है, you know, Zaid has done a wonderful job with the webinar so far. But हमारे इतना बड़ा network है लोगों का, but just getting commitment out of them in terms of कि आप हमें एक date दे दें that works for you, and it's going to be topic of your choice because you are the subject matter expert, and you come and share your experiences and some information that can help students. हमें उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा challenges आते हैं. हालांकि you know, this is like one of the simplest thing that you could do in terms of contribution to this community. And we always talk about कि जी हमारे पास at least 6 months की visibility होनी चाहिए हमारे पास pipeline में. People should already be scheduled कि अक्टूबर में कौन जाएगा और नवंबर में कौन किस topic को करेगा. So I know we're just talking to a handful of people here, but it would be great if you can volunteer and sign up to talk about whatever is your, you know, area of expertise, because it's a wonderful way of educating people.
Assalamu Ahmed, this is Salman from North Carolina. A couple of questions. I'm sorry, I never had an opportunity to join earlier. But when FAST was created, the whole idea was that no admission will be dropped off because of financial reason. And what I'm hearing here is that because of a budget limitation, we are saying no. I mean, the board, FAST board, it's saying no to people who cannot afford. Is that right?
We don't know that yet. We don't know that. What we know is कि जो लोग एडमिशन ले चुके होते हैं उनको जब अगर उन्होंने उनके पास इतना अमाउंट बाज़ दफ़ा नहीं होता कुछ सेमेस्टर्स के लिए तो they cannot FAST cannot support all of the students financially. I think FAST is supporting a lot, though, but there are some students that are unable to get the financial aid because either the budget is filled or something like
that. So yeah,
that.
there is a serious effort that FAST has stayed committed to over the last 35 years or so. But the local situation in the country, the FAST funding has not kept up. I mean, a lot of other universities, they have endowment funds. Alumni put in money into endowment funds, which can be used for these things. FAST has no such source. उनका कर्ज़े हसना का program है और उधर से वो fund करते हैं and they do a good job. तो लेकिन ये कि this year we have heard and a couple of the students were referred to us in a personal capacity by certain professors कि यार ये अच्छा बच्चा है इसके पास नहीं है पैसे इसका कुछ कर सकते हैं अगर आप लोग तो कर दें क्योंकि they are out of budget. So they in spirit they have been trying and they have been doing that. Lekin reality on the ground is shifting where the alumni need to step up and fill the gap.
Right.
Yeah,
even
अहमद भाई के पास थोड़ा सा उस पे ऐड भी मैं कर देता हूँ कि मैं I have talked to Ayub Alvi sir directly about this as well as जो हमारे previous director as well. उनका point of view ये है कि as अहमद भाई mentioned कि कर्ज़े हसना का program है और वो कर्ज़े हसना में ये है कि they technically give it as a loan, right? Now their expectation is that people would return those loans, so they would cycle that money again and again and again. But usme what I heard from them was that majority of the people don't return the loans. The FAST does those loans actually on stamp paper, so they can technically go to the court asking कि जी हमें पैसे जो हैं वो now this a lot of time can you return us the money or whatever. But what Ayub Alvi Saab and Rector Saab mentioned to me, and I'm talking about a couple of years back, is that we would never drag one of our students to the court. And that's the reason we don't basically ask them for money. Like we would send them reminders, but we would not ask them for money to return.
Okay,
so that's a recovery issue, and then I think they should have an audit to work on this. The other thing is that for the breakdown, for example, I heard someone, and it was a good suggestion that even if it's $25 or $50 a month, if we can have a breakdown of the activities that, with $25 a month, you can support this thing. With $50, you can do this. With 500, this kind of breakdowns of people can have actually commitment to an activity, and then we can have an automatic withdrawal.
Yep.
Do we have something like that?
Exactly, and we've been using it more like $1,200 is a student per semester fee. So it's like if people do $100, so that's one a student that they could support. So we will make that message a little bit more clear. So
right, but the point I'm making is that go down to even $25 and $50 level.
Yeah,
so those who are not active or it will still think that they're not going to lose anything with just $25, $50 a month, but at least they'll get a sense of achievement by seeing that they're sponsoring such and such activity.
Yes.
And one more suggestion, I'm sure you must have thought about it, but because I'm a member of 2 alumni groups here in North Carolina, 2 universities, and they have certain memberships, for example, just like certain AAA discounts or things like these, and they keep on offering. So I know in the past something was done that if you're a member of this, you're entitled to such and such discount or even some memberships. Is there something like that exists?
There is no such thing. We were talking earlier, we have a lot of ideas. We also need, it's not about the money, it's also about the time from the alumni. So maybe if somebody could take this idea and see, we could get this AAA discounts. So that's great. So we should have like three levels of membership. One is the voting or a basic membership. I mean, you know, everybody is a member as long as they're alumni in the US, but voting member is $50 or it's like I think $10 a month, I think. But there could be other membership levels too, but we want to figure out कि उन्हें क्या benefit दे सके. I mean, maybe their website should be on the name, or their name should be on the website, or something like that. Some people, I mean, I've seen some organizations would do that. They become a founding member if they submitted, if they've donated $10,000 or something like that. So there are several ideas, but in order, we really need somebody to execute and help with those ideas. So that's another thing that we are struggling with.
So what is our current strength now?
On the on our WhatsApp, we have about 200 alumni. I mean, एक ज़माने में मैंने LinkedIn में एक query की थी कि fast US में जो है US based जो हैं लोग तो तकरीबन 500-600 लोग आए थे. लेकिन do we have contact information for everybody? No.
I had back in 2005 or 6, I had 350 on the mailing list. Fast ICSNA.
Yes, but I mean, the people that have switched and all of that. I mean, we always send these emails to us fast ICSNA पे भी भेजते हैं, लेकिन there is not a lot of new people coming in that. So
वो जैसे जैसे कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स चेंज हुए हैं, जो लिंक्डइन पे फास्ट का ग्रुप हमने एक बनाया हुआ है जिसमें सिर्फ अप्रूव्ड एक्सेस है, उसमें आई थिंक 260 या 270 लोग अब हैं. So it's like because the channels are kind of distributed, that is one area where we have not been able to figure out what's a channel that everybody uses and loves and will collaborate. There is nothing like that out there. So Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, we are trying, and email, we are trying all four on a fairly regular basis. लेकिन ये कि we have not been able to reach out to a wider body. 2200 graduates हैं total अभी तक फास्ट के across all campuses, across all faculties. So 2200 में से अमेरिका में अगर कुछ नहीं तो 600-700 तो होंगे, लेकिन ये कि we have not been able to reach them. That is why we believe that local alumni chapter is the key to cracking that, and that's what we are encouraging. हर local alumni chapter में एक या दो active member अगर हों, तो a lot of this can be accomplished locally over there.
And our commitment is like we will share feedback and give this information over the course of the next 100 days, where we have to collect about $30,000. That's the goal that we have set up. तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा ये भी करेंगे कि जो local chapters हैं ना, as much as we can, if we could get कभी कभार हमें donors के वो state पता चल जाता है, तो we will put it there कि हाँ जी Michigan chapter से कितना है या the different chapters से कितना है. तो maybe a friendly competition would be helpful, or maybe we should say कि हाँ जी जो we were thinking about, maybe we should give them a iPad or some Android tablet if to a chapter जो कि वो distribute कर सकते हैं eventually to somebody एक लिहाज से. I don't know if raffle is the right approach or not, but there were ideas there.
So this is Adnan. I actually like the idea. Actually, give more power to the locals because they can come up with the. Even though we talk about AAA and all of those things, but even we can come up with some local, incentives. Okay, locally, because I know a lot of, even by nature, by the way, आप लोग बात करें, लोग नहीं आते, हमारी nature है. We are developers mostly. Fast से मैं BC, CS की बात करूँ, हम लोग वैसे लोगों से नहीं मिलते, तो कम मिलते हैं. So it's very hard. I know a couple of fastens, even my seniors living in Vancouver, and they are out of grid. You cannot find them. You can only talk to them if you know physically, go there and talk to them. So yeah, it will be a hard thing. But I love the idea. Local chapters को आप power दें ताकि वो come up with the idea और ये फिर कहते हैं ना वो ऊपर की तरफ जाए और सबको benefit हो. So it's a good idea. I like it. That's it.
Chale,
I'll just add Just one last point, Amit bhai. I think it's a great idea, local chapters, empowerment through local chapter. I'll just share one personal point on that. What I've seen is that a lot of time local chapters are successful because of the people who are leading it, like Munib and Javeria doing an amazing job. Would people still be engaged the same way? For example, if they have to step away for some time, or if they, don't have that much time to dedicate, can they pass it on to somebody else? I've seen that a lot of time because of that personal outreach, people do contribute, but as soon as you take that person out of the equation, that whole thing sort of falls apart. So we need to empower local chapter, but at the same time, we need to have this personal attachment and engagement of helping other people, not because you're Fastion, but because this is the right thing to do. That messaging really needs to go out.
Yeah, I would say about 80% of the calls that I have made to people or connected personally has resulted in somebody donating something. I mean, only 20% has been like, okay, sorry, I cannot do it this year. So, I mean, there is a lot of power with local chapters and local connections there. So again, our purpose was to share what we have done. We'll post this thing. We'll share a little summary on our different channels. We were just kicking it off, and I wanted to give you an idea about what we have been up to since the start.
Actually, this was a result. This session was designed because a lot of people had informally shared with us कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या करते हैं, हमें update दें. तो ये open house इसीलिए design किया है ताकि we can give you an update and then solicit more ideas and help and support. So this was designed for the alumni in response to their request.
Cool.
And we'll try to have more of these in the future too, maybe once a quarter, once every 6 months, something like that.
But see, the participation is very low. I mean, last I checked was like 15, 16 people just. And is this for one chapter or is this for all of them?
It is for all of them. I mean, we are open to how do we increase this thing. So,
yeah. And we also need a lot more local chapters. I know हमारी Houston में काफी बड़ी presence है. अभी हमारे में बहुत पोटेंशियल है. इट्स जस्ट के थोड़ी सी हमें मोटिवेशन और चाहिए और थोड़े से हमें एक्टिव वॉलंटियर्स और चाहिए टू पुट दीज आइडियाज इनटू मोशन. आइडियाज हम एवरी ईयर हम लोग जब जनवरी में हमारी गोल सेटिंग मीटिंग होती है, वी आर ऑलवेज स्ट्रगलिंग के there's a long list of ideas that we want to accomplish, but there's only 5 of us. And there's only so much we could do. We can't meet every other day because, as I said, हम सबकी भी अपनी commitments होती हैं, jobs होती हैं. So we are really looking for people to come forward. और जहाँ तक local chapters की बात है, it needs to be more than one person. So we have हमारी जो founding guidelines हैं, उसमें हमने mention किया हुआ है कि there needs to be a chair and a co-chair. So we are not solely relying on just one person, बल्कि local chapters का एक अपना छोटा सा network होगा, and we have some ideas in terms of how to bring those people forward and connect them more with the board and have more regular communication with them. Hopefully we can put that all into action.
Right, and I think the scope of local chapters is also different in different areas. Northeast, I can understand when people are in a driving distance, but here I know there are not many in North Carolina, and I see a lot of them in Atlanta, which is like 6 hours from here. So I think if we can find out more people and we can further localize it to state level, maybe that'll become more effective.
Yeah. One day we will do things that you will drive 6 hours to get here for that, inshallah. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to everybody, and I just wanted to say that jazakumullah khairan kathira to everybody for all the efforts, inshallah, and anybody who is listening even now, like after the recording, inshallah. So as far as the number is concerned, first off, those who are present in this room, be very thankful, because Allah says again and again in the Quran that qalilan ma tashkurun, qalilan ma tadhakkarun. There are few who do the work, right? There are few who will we'll be reminded there are few who will be grateful. So alhamdulillah, when we look at this institution that is called FAST, I wrote a poem like 20 years ago, and I still, it resonates, and it's so beautiful that Allah gave us this opportunity of these institutions. So myself, I just wanted to put in my 2 words that one thing I'm really extremely grateful for being part of the group and being part of here. The second thing, I extremely apologize. I'm still trying to learn as to what is there out there. And, when there's so much that has changed over the years, there's so much going on. So definitely it takes some time to understand things. But inshallah, with a great team and with the support that you all offer, inshallah, there's going to be great stuff coming forward. So on a personal level, these days I'm exploring options for even for my own personal finances, like trust and things like that. We have so many debts that are happening in Atlanta these days. I myself was giving, a whistle to somebody 2 days back, and I was realizing that life is very short. So we all need to see what are we leaving behind. So even your every minute and second that you've spent here in this room, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it, because this is like your work in the foundation. So money is one thing. Money will come in because that's a promise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Money will come in. What we need to worry about is our institutions, what is being taught in these institutions, and what are we producing out of these institutions, right? Because our goal is not just this world, but the hereafter. And there's so many projects. My personal focus is to create and generate entrepreneurs who can then self-sustain and, give back to the system. So inshallah, as subhanallah, we juggle between responsibilities of parenting and all those. And definitely would look forward to more understanding. We do visit Pakistan a lot frequently, so it will be a pleasure for me to connect the campuses. When I was working with Cognizant, I really worked like one of the idea was like a like it was like more like I don't know if I'm going to take the correct terminology, but it's more like circles in the sense like there were hours people had like in a year, and they would go and actually in the institution would deliver lectures. So that was beautiful. Like these days, like with Qasim Ali Shah work and what's happening in Pakistan, people actually alumni visiting the institutions and going in. I myself, when I went, it was beautiful that I was able to go into Al Huda, but the FAST campus, I wasn't sure like what can I do when I walk in there? What should I be able to do there? So we can create those, and it will create a lot of traction. And when we will post our pictures going in there, meeting the old people there, that is going to create a lot of traction, because you feel so happy connecting back with your foundations, with your roots, inshallah. So those all hours we can record. So myself, again, I apologize at this part of the life where we are all zoomed out, all the education and our children's education and everything on Zoom and happening. Yes, these are trying times, but definitely from SE, we have great people, mashallah, that have come across. So Jazakumullah khair kathira for putting us together for FAST. And yesterday I was going through some of the ayahs in Surah Baqarah, and was kind of remembering what Ashab Sufa were doing and how, these endowment funds and things were helping them at that time. So definitely, Ahmed Bhai, with your experience and exposure, and Shiva yours, and all of you, mashallah, in this room, we can do a great thing. So never, what I just wanted to say is that there is going to be great time ahead, inshallah. So let's put in our little share, whatever we can do, and let's go forward. These are great times of putting fundraisings together, and Muni, with the videos, inshallah, we will try that we can set the ballpark. And anybody else listening, please don't see who is there, who is not there. Just ask yourself, what am I here for? What am I going to make the most out of this opportunity, inshallah? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us make the most of it, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.
Jazakallah. Thank you for very wonderful positive words. Inshallah, yeah, we will do better. Just like we have over years, we have done better every year. I have hope and optimism that we will grow. Another thing I want to mention, we have very good connections at each one of the campuses. I mean, I'm connected personally with all the directors on WhatsApp, and I chat with them. So if we could always tell them that you guys are going there, and they could think in advance, set up something. So Noman had to visit, like, what, 3 campuses, Noman, you visited? 3 campuses, and the exposure you got, and how did it make you feel? You might
want it was, I had no idea. I was treated as a celebrity. कि मैं जो है वो FANA का member हूँ. I mean, that's it. I'm part of FANA, and I was treated as a celebrity there. there's like 6 faculty members. A couple of them had their day off. They've made themselves available to have a one-on-one conversation in Faisalabad. In Karachi, they even had a photographer as they gave me a tour of all the labs and research work they're doing, research project and a new library they've set up. So, I mean, it was wonderful. So you now have the alumni organization brand to use that when every time you go back, and you will get the proper treatment and accommodation.
And I'm sure we all agree, like even if you cross by, even right now, I'm seeing Ahmed by the building behind, you know, it just makes you feel young. Oh, we were, you know, students on time. So it just makes you feel so good. So alhamdulillah for this.
Lahore did this a special barbecue for alumni that we were like there from out of town. So inshallah, I plan on going in the December-January time frame. So I'll keep sharing.
And you remember the lunch we had here in Atlanta, right? So it was so good to tell your kids that, you know, this is our university friends and we are going there to meet them. So, it's always
and I'd like to add one more thing. Because of COVID, not a lot of people are traveling. Lekin if you still want to be connected, webinars is the way to do it. Last month, Asad ka hua tha, usme Dr. Aftab bhi the, unhone comments bhi kiye the. So, like, you know, that was a really amazing experience for him, for all of us watching that webinar. So webinar is the key. Agar kisi ne aisa connect karna hai, kafi students after my webinar, they connected with me. I am guiding 2 different teams on the topic that I delivered. So if someone wants to stay connected with the students, if they want to stay connected with the faculty, webinar would be the way to go. Usko thoda expand kar sakte hain hum log. Not everyone is traveling to Pakistan, but if they still want to participate, that's the way to go.
And Jazakallah khair, Munib, for being the lead on that and offering your time for that. So that was really good. Amazing.
So we have spent an hour and a half now. This has been really good. So I think we'll take your suggestions and we'll work offline, and we'll start a communication plan and get people to become a paid members and start with recurring. And we'll like your support there too, to either pick up an initiative or help us with the local support there.
On the initiative, Ahmed bhai, I just wanted to ask, like, because by the time I was able to read through the document and speak with a couple of people, I thought the deadline had passed, right, for the final year project support. So is that something that we can extend the deadline and maybe you know, projects?
I have a connection. In Lahore. His name is Dr. Kamran Lodi. He is he's son of a dear teacher of us, Dr. Fakhar Lodi, who taught us back at FAST. So his son is now teaching at FAST after doing his PhD from Chicago here. So I can connect you with him and see if there are students who are still looking for projects. क्योंकि वो project semester के start में उन्हें assign होते हैं, तो वो 2 semesters होते हैं उनके पास project करने को. So I don't know. It wasn't a deadline from me. It was a deadline from them.
Right.
So if not this
if
year,
you can even post the future deadline also, then that'd be great, because it takes time for people to come up with these ideas and things.
Exactly.
Because I think now if you click the link did not go through. So even if I tried to go read the documentation, then it was taken off.
Okay, I think we should wrap it up. If there is no other questions, no other feedback, I mean, I think we have done great. This was a great thing to hear the words of encouragement, and we'll look forward for your support. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, the board.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Well, just we can conclude with the dua, Ahmed bhai, if you like. So,
Inshallah.
Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. And wal asr innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa amilu salihati wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. By time, mankind is in loss, except for those who do these 4. They believe, they do the righteous deeds, they remind each other of truth, and they remind each other of patience. Jazakumullah.
Jazakallah.